first time in life the youth have spoken one voice. Congratulations once again. The youth is on ground. The kudos for youth.
They have counted the result. He has gotten more votes. I came late to this race. I did my best and he has done his best. Congratulations. What we need to do now is to work hard as a team to win the senatorial seat. God bless you. God bless
It was done in the presence of everybody. It was a credible election, peaceful election, and election with honesty. Today, a winner has emerged. My name is Dr. Francis Omo, returning officer of this exercise. I hereby certify by Valentine Asuen having satisfied all the requirements and as well had the highest number of votes cast. I hereby declare him as the winner of today's exercise. Congratulations.
And you will agree with me that for the past 4 months was an eventful period for me. I went around all the leaders and delegates, one-on-one. I spoke to them, I reached out to them, I fraternized with them. I met some on road, through the road, to reach out to them. We flew on air to reach out to them. And at the same time, we traveled by sea to reach out to them. So I thank God that we were able to go around and reach and see all these delegates one-on-one. But thank God today that they're dedicating this victory to Edo South, to the APC family. There is no winner and there is no loser. The victory is dedicated to every one of us in Edo South. Thank you very much and God bless you.
Thank you, sir.
The process, the due process we follow. We accredited the relation of them and signed up to align with the local government. And the process was based on word for word. We had to select 5 on the road. And it was very peaceful. There was no issues.
It's a thing of joy that the youth have spoken one voice. First time in history of a political election. I'm very happy, I'm overwhelmed that the youth really exercise their duty to make sure youth emerge. It's a great thing and it's a kudos to the youth. All the glory goes back to the youth. So I will see all the youth, like I earlier said, all the youth should come out and involve in politics, so that our children's generation will be a brighter one.
Against our odds, we win. We win.
Okay.
Not be small thing though. God wey don help us start. He go help us finish am. So with God on our side, everything na sure banker. Never. Women supporting women. We dey together. Now then they carry me waka. Me sef go carry them waka. Na so it be.
It's a tear of joy. I believe now because during a campaign, he talk about women. He say he go bring good dividends of democracy to women. He say women dey this matter wey come and so youth dey, men dey.
He will empower
another thing wey make me believe. He get many petrol stations for Edo State. He dey control more than 1,000 staff. And before me come grow till now, before we do this election, we never hear for television say he no pay staff. We never hear say his staff dey strike one day. So they take off men, they take off women, young and old. So we believe say go fit take off us.
DVD not step down at all. They just dey lie because DVD and pikin where they go front, you know they go back. Since when it start time, we know say APC can grow from strength to strength. Today, the youth He say he wan carry the power, make him hand over to youth. That he want those territorial district youth to have the destiny in their hand. Today I thank God Almighty for making it possible for him. The second step down say the call person come say na youth. Say he too young to dey there. Say that place na Ogwedion. Now he cut us say nothing like Ogwedion. Bankole was 37 was speaker in the House of Rep. This our pikin wey you see so. Now pikin wey God write favor for his forehead. God write miracle for his head. Everything he touch, he dey bless. Everything he touch, they grow. As he don't win so, Edo youth now strength for the say they go better pass the way they dey.